Iran president died news. Iran's President Ebrahim Raisi, along with the country's foreign dead minister Monday morning and others, hours after their helicopter crashed in dense fog in a mountainous region of the country's northwest. The crash comes at a hugely tumultuous time for the Middle East amid the Israel-Hamas war, during which Raisi, under Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, launched an unprecedented Iran has enriched uranium closer than ever on Israel just last month, further escalating tension with the West, as Tehran also supplied bomb-carrying drones to Russia for its war in Ukraine. Thanks for watching. Continued arming proxy groups in the Mideast, such as Yemen's Houthi rebels and Lebanon's Hezbollah.